What is up, guys? I am back here with another video of this development world. Where am I? I think spawns that way. Hold on, guys. Just got to go searching through the wilderness, trying to find the spawn, which I don't think's gonna happen. Reap. I'm gonna lose the other thing now. What if I just use /kill? Oh, I forgot to set my spawn point here. I don't know any coordinates. I was messing around with ranks. I'm just looking to where it says teleported. Yeah, I was messing around with like prefixes and stuff. I don't know what the heck this is. I never did anything with that. Well, we're screwed. Oh, freak. Yeah, that's good. I think from here I can just go. What? Oh, these are all set up. It's gonna be a side thing. Armor. Things over here. Nope, we're screwed. Alright, I don't have face cam on this video because I figured it may have helped better audio. I tested this audio out before, it's just, I don't know how well it's working really. It worked alright, not amazing when I tested it, so let's hope it's working fine right now. Can hardly even hear myself because of the stupid thing, the music, so I have no idea how loud I'm talking, how quiet I'm talking. It's stupid. I don't want to lose that thing. No, you know I'm done. 16 chunks. Like, better show now. I mean, this this is more chunks than I've had the whole time. I'm pretty sure this was in, like, seeable distance from base. Even with only, like, 12 chunks. So, I think it's over that way. What up there, you guys? Oh, holy crap. Let's just get 22 chunks per second. Just so that we can see, but I mean I still can't see it. Very annoying. Here we go. It's right over here the whole time. So let's just get TP -2 4 7 185 prepared. Let's go. Because we need to go back here and finish this. So this thing right here is supposed to give the player armor. Now I need to figure out what command it is to actually like put it onto them, like make them wear it necessarily. I don't know that command. It's just so. Are you kidding me? I completely forgot to do it. Flick. Flickity flick. Oh, it's bad. No, we can't do that. Oh, I didn't forget to do it. Button plus up here, button plus up here, button plus up here. That's what I hate about listless if you can't actually waste it. Alright, let's just put sand. Does sand work well? Yes, it does. However, we get boots for this thing. That's just all messed up. We get chest plate, then boots, then we get leggings, and then we get that. That's just messed up. Gravity. Which I don't know. Oh. Just venture back. Pretty sure, yeah. You hit entities as well as players. Gold apples are pretty easy command to do. You just do session apple. So you guys, sorry for the no commentary, so you guys won't actually have game mode, you won't be able to build stuff unless you have a rank. Now to get a rank, it's pretty simple, you don't actually have to pay any money unless for the donor rank. The donor rank actually gives more things than I think everything up to MB. No, I don't really want to do that yet because that will remove all of them, including, well, yes it would, wouldn't it? So we gotta go first position now, slash. I'm stupid. We don't actually do that. We can just do that. So we can actually go slash replace air sand. I didn't mean bury them. This. Sorry about this, guys. No, it's not very interesting to watch, but I mean, this is kind of the idea of a development thing. So I'm just creating a server in front of your eyes. Fun. Anyways, in here, what you'll find is a little pressure plate. Now this pressure plate, it won't kill you, it will give you a resistance of 100 for 60 seconds. So if you're not that great at PvP, but your opponent really is, and you really need an advantage, there you go. We've just about run out of time in this video, but yeah, next time I will explain all the ranks and how to get them, what's gonna happen. So yeah, I will see you all in the next video. Bye!